Hey, what's up, guys? This is Anand Kotari from Tech Nick. So I just uploaded, sorry, not uploaded. I just updated my cell phone to iOS 13, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the best, amazing feature which Apple talks about every time: the dark mode. The dark mode in the Apple's cell phones, which is an amazing feature. I would say that there are many updates in the iOS 13. So if you're looking forward to go ahead and update, please go ahead and do that. It's seriously amazing. There are many UI changes and there are many features implemented on your cell phone, which makes the user experience much more better than previously. So now to switch to dark mode, all you can do is, so this is just one of the feature I'm showing you right now. You can go in your display and brightness in your settings, and you can switch easily between light and dark over here. So that turns your theme into a dark mode, and that makes changes to your entire, like, a lookout of your cell phone, right? You open the applications, and most of the applications which are there with Apple, they will also get this theme. So it saves some energy of your cell phone, like saves some battery, and it's good. I mean, it's classy, it looks good at the same time, right? Many people like this mode, so that's one of the features implemented. There is another way you can switch on, so you can just go in your control center. Now, since we don't have 3D in iOS 13, we'll have the haptic touch. You can go ahead and hold the brightness, and you can switch the dark mode to whatever mode, I mean the white mode or whatever it's called from here. And that's it, I would say. It's pretty awesome. Once you go ahead and update it, I'll pretty much post more videos on this, and there are many features to cover. Seriously, they are like, I have seen videos where they have shown more than 200 features in this update. So yes, there is a lot to cover. And if you guys like this video, do not forget to follow my channel on Instagram, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.